300 up mid. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 300 mid. Right 2 max. 40. Stop over right 2 for left 8 minus, tight through posts. Here. 80. Stop over left 2 past junction for hairpin left minus drive. And watch right 2. Tightens to 3. And tightens to 7 minus in. So tightens to 7. 80 left max. Right 5 plus in fast, okay. 40 open hairpin left plus. Into right 7 opens to max, okay. 100 through the dip. Right 3 plus stay in half long, and right 2 max past the junction. 250 mid. Is your 250. Turn acute right on brow. $60. Right 2 max, 40, left 7 plus half long, opens to max, okay, half long, 130, mid, keep left on brow for immediate, right 7 plus slippy, keep into max, here's a right 7 plus slippy, keep into max, and right 2 long, max, and mid over max crest, only 20, left 7 half long, max, and nips, half long and nips, 60, left 2 max over crest here, 40, left 2 max opens for 100, 60, keeps going for 100, 60, small brow and stop for left 9 around the bail, keep going, right and then left 9 around the bail, 60, mid, right 3 in max, into left 3 long in max past the junction, 80, here's your 3, 80, left 2 max, into right 4 plus keep in, to 4 after this, right 4 here, and left 4 in max over junction, 130, right 3 minus, keep in, is your right 3, into hairpin left tight bar, 60, right 3 in max, 60 logs, right 7 plus fast half long, here, 40, left 4 max past logs, 40, left 4 keep in, stop for hairpin right, here's a left 4 into hairpin right, 60, left 5 in max, okay, here's your 5, 40, right 2 max, 40, left 7 line in max, okay, 100, here's your 7, 100, mid over max crest, okay, left 4 plus don't cut, rocks inside, and left 2 max at rock, left 2 max at rock, 80, left 5 tight, don't cut, 80, here's your 5, 80, left 7 minus, nips late, 7 minus, nips late, 40, stop, hairpin right bar, hairpin right bar, oh fuck, 40, well done, 40, right 5 in max, here, and left 5 in max, okay, 60 down, stop, unseen, hairpin left, very tight, 60, narrows, remember, left 4 max, okay, 40, small bump and crest immediate, right 3 in max, okay, is your 3, 100, bumpy, left 1 into 40 down, stop, turn acute right, wide after, into left 3 max, and right 3 max, and a line for left 3 plus fast, at 40 dab, left 5 plus fast, here's your 40, left 5 plus fast, 60, left 8 plus half long, opens to max, here's your 8, half long, opens to max, 40, left 4 in max, okay, 500, 500, max to left 2 max, 150 down, here's your left 2, you can see it, 150, right 3 max over dip, okay, right 3 in the dip, and left 2 max over crest. 100, small crest into right 2 max. 40, mid over max crest okay, and right 3 max long, tightens okay, 130, keep going, here's the nip, 130, right 3 max here, 40, right 4 in max long, slight nip, here's your 4, slight nip, and left 4 minus, stop for hairpin right drive, 80, mid over max crest long okay, 130, left 5 long, max okay, does not open, 5 long, does not open, 170 max, in here, 170 max, right 2 stop for hairpin left plus, 80 up, left 1 over max crest past junction, 40, right 5 plus long, keep in, opens to max, very long, keep in, 100, left 4 in max half long, and right 2 max, into left 2 max, into right 2 max, 40, left 3 in max, 60, right 3 in max, easy 3, 60, right 3 in max, 100, right 3 in max here, half long, 80, right 2 long max, again, here, 100, watch, left 3 nips over junction, remember this one, left 3 nips over junction, 40, right 5 plus in, 40, right 5 plus in, and left 3 max, 60, left max, 60, left 3 in max here, 350, mid over max crest, and right 2 max okay, into left 1 over crest okay, 40 past the junction, right 3 in max, 40 here, right 3 in max, 40, left 2 max, into right 4 minus tight, keep in, 130, left 4 max over crest okay, 130, right 4 keep in half long, into left 2 max long, left 2 long, 40 slowing, watch, left 8 minus in, opens to max, here's your 8 in, opens to max, 100, right 2, only 40 slowing, turn acute left, into right 2 max, 40 down slowing, right 8 tight, 60, left 5, in max okay, into right 3 max okay, very long, continues 400, keep in, is it 3, very long, 40, right 3 in max over crest again, so here's your next 3, 80, left 1 over max step, 130, right 2 long over max crest okay, 250, is it 2 at the crest, 250, left 2 max continues for 150, keep going, the left 2 max continues for 150, into left 7 minus in, for sudden turn, right 9 narrow, is your 7, and then right 9, 200, down mid, loose, turn hairpin left, and left 3 max, continues for 130 okay, continues long okay, 100, left 2 max, 80, is your left 2, 80, left 2 max in the dip, and left 2 max continues for 150, keeps going, and 150 after max okay, 150 after it, right 1 max over the brow, 100 max okay after that, right 1, 60 stop, hairpin right plus, is it right 1, 60, hairpin right plus, and left 3 max half long here, and right 2 max, only 40, right 7 plus fast here, and right 9 minus short, is your 7, and then right 9 minus short, into left 2 in max, and right 3 in max, 60, left 3 max, 170, is your 3, 170 max, right 3 half long in max, 150, is your 3 half long, 150 max, right 2 of a small crest, 130, Left 4 minus in, stop for right 8 plus tight. Right 8 plus tight, 100. Left 3 minus slowing for right 8 tight. So left 3 minus slowing for right 8 tight. 150 mid max. Small crest max and left 2 max. And right 2 max continues for 100. 40 watch, left 7 slowing and stop immediate, hairpin right tight. Is a 7 and then hairpin right tight. Well done, 150. Right 2 max. There, 130. Left 2 max, 130 down. Chicane, left entry, exit right. Left and right. 80. Right 5 in max, okay. 40. Left 7 minus, tightens over crest here. 60. Left 8 plus very long. Carry does not open. It's a very long 8. Carry does not open. Keep right on exit. Into. Right 2 max, 100. Mid over max crest there, 400. Right 2 max half long, out of the trees. 60. Right 3 max continues over brow, don't cut. 40 dab, right 7 minus in, nips okay. 7 in, nips okay. And right 2 max for 130. Right 2 max for 130. Tightens to 3 max. 300. Max to brow okay. And left 1 max. Left 1 max, 40 max. Left 2 max over junction okay. Left 2 over junction. 270 down mid. 270 down mid. C, left 2 long max. 100 down. Chicane, left entry. Left and right. 200. Left 4 plus long carry. Tightens to 7 plus. Tightens to 7 plus, opens and tightens again. So 7 opens and tightens again. And mid over crest max. Mid over long crest max and left 2 max 150. Left 2 max 200. Small crest max okay into right 2 max and right 2 max again. 40 watch. Dab right 7 minus, keep in half long. Remember this, remember this. Get her in, well done. Left 3 max, left 7 plus in fast. Left 7 and right 2 max. Into right, left 2 max over brow here. 40, right 2 half max okay. Right 2 half long max okay. 130. Keep going, 130, right 2 max, mid over max crest, and right 2 again, 170, keep going, 170 here, left 2 max, 80, left of mid over max crest okay, 40, right 2 long max okay, right 2 long max okay, and max crest long okay, 300, stop before clearing, turn hairpin right, stop before clearing, turn hairpin right. 130. Right 2 max half long, 60, turn hairpin left over bump. 60, turn hairpin left over bump. Well done. 80, left 2 max long over the finish. And left 3 there, well done, okay.
Fuck, that spin. And that fucking right 7, shit!
Fucking hell, that comes up quick. How you doing?